Hi, I'm Amy Lewis with Solidfire, here on the sidelines with Andy. Andy, do you want to introduce yourself?
Hey, yep, I'm Andy Roberts. I'm a field architect for Solidfire International, working out of our London office.
Excellent. So you said this is your second OpenStack. What do you see that's different? What's changed? Give us the scoop.
I think firstly it's the scale, the number of people here, 7,000 people here, vendors, people using it, people really starting to talk about how they're really pushing it into deployment, into production, I think as well is really the key thing that I've seen.
Yeah, so it seems like this is game time. It's no longer we're no longer in practice.
Yeah.
It's people actually using it.
Yeah. And the things I've really enjoyed, the sessions I've been to so far, it's really interesting to hear the user stories, the things that people are talking about, how they're actually going to deploy it, the challenges they have. It's really interesting to hear about that. Some of that comes back to things that Solidfire fix. Some of it is just much more about how you need to change the politics within an organization to develop something like OpenStack, because it cuts right the way across everything you do. And that's interesting to hear that as a repeated theme as part of this as well.
So, most interesting deployment or use case that you've heard so far?
The most interesting one I heard yesterday was FICO, which is a company that Solidfire have dealt with, so I know about their story from having heard about their development and what we've seen going through with support. Just interesting how they're using our stuff to make it a really predictable experience for their customers. But also when you think about OpenStack, you usually think about development, test, that kind of stuff as a use case. This is a financial organization really using OpenStack to drive their business forward, to try and make money, give better insights to their customers from that whole experience, from credit scoring, which you'd regard as kind of one of those most grungy kind of old school businesses rather than dev test or sending rockets to the moon.
Oh, wow. Well, we like rockets, but yeah.
We like rockets, yeah.
All right, thanks, Andy.
Thank you, Amy.
We'll see you next time on Pop-Up Tech Talks.